Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Beta Finance. In my last video, which I shared with you almost 2 weeks ago, in this video I told you that the price line of Beta is reached the resistance of the channel with a bullish divergence. Therefore, this time we can expect a breakout from this channel. And you can see that finally the price line broke out the resistance of this channel on 3rd of Feb and also broke out the EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart as well. And in today's video, we will analyze if this move is going to be continued to the upside or we are going to move more down to break down the previous support. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this channel. And you can see that it was a really very long-term channel. And here I told you when we had this fake out, then I told you that this is the recent swing low before this breakout. Therefore, we can consider this level as our stop loss, and it can work as a very strong support. But after this fake out, the price line again formed another swing low, and that is at 33.2. So approximately at 33 cents, we can set the support. And by the way, the price line after this breakout tested this 41-cent support, not test this support of 33 cents so far. However, this is the recent swing low before the breakout. Therefore, we can use this level as our stop loss. And we have also broken out the exponential moving averages with the time period of 10 and 21. And the very, very nice thing on this chart is that the EMA 10 has crossed up and formed a bull cross with EMA 21 after a very, very long time period. You can see it was not able to cross up this red line. This blue line was not able to cross up this red line, even not here as well. But finally, we have received this bull cross. Therefore, now these two EMAs can work as a very nice support for the price line of Beta Finance. And this was the bullish divergence that I was telling you in my last video, that the price line, this oscillator, RSI oscillator, is forming another higher low than previous low, but the price line is forming a lower than previous low. So there was a bullish divergence while the price line was breaking out, that it was reached the resistance of this channel. Therefore, I told you that this time it can break out the resistance. As compared to this breakout, if we take a look at the previous fake out, at that time the RSI was forming another higher than previous high. And if we take a look at the price line, even though the difference was very small, because here the price line moved up to 76.8 cents, and here it moved up to 74.25 cents. However, there was a hidden bearish divergence. Therefore, I told you that we can expect a pullback, and after a pullback, the price line has finally broken out the resistance of the channel and also the resistance of the exponential moving averages with a bullish divergence, a very obvious bullish divergence on the daily time frame. Now, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, first let me to place this trend line here, then I will switch to the 4-hourly time frame. Here we can see that we have found another resistance, and if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then you can see that the price line is getting rejected again and again by this resistance. And for any big move after this breakout from the bigger channel, we need to also break out this resistance as well. And right now the price line is very close to break out this resistance once again, and this time we have also received a bull cross between the EMA 10 and 21, and this bull cross has increased the possibility for breaking out this next resistance that the price line has found. That is a really very small resistance as compared to this resistance that it has recently broken out. Therefore, in my opinion, it can break out this resistance and start a big move from here very soon. And our final target, let me just show you the different targets. The first target can be here at this resistance of 71 cents. Then we have another resistance here at $1.63. And here we have another resistance at $2.74. And it can be our final target here at the top of this down channel that will be approximately at $4.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.